Hi there, I got a review for this Willow Easter stainless steel gooseneck kettle, and this is the box it came in, and this is the candle, stainless steel. Inside looks like, and this is the gooseneck right here. There's a nice spout on it. It's heavy duty, stainless steel, and the handles. And it's nice to make your tea in, your coffee, and it's 40 ounces. And the plastic on the handles, they are BPA free plastic handles, and the top piece, and it's lightweight. It's a Beef High design on it, and you can use it for the gas stove or electric stove. And I like this to make my tea in. I already got a coffee maker, and I probably want to try to make coffee in it. I like to make my tea in it, and that's all. And thank you for listening. Bye.